OpenAI today announced a ChatGPT Agent, a version of a GPT that can perform autonomous tasks on your behalf. This is huge because it goes beyond a chatbot architecture that we all know to take a big step in the direction of being autonomous by using its own virtual computer and handling complex tasks for you. It builds and improves upon OpenAI's operator, which was an agent trained to handle the internet's buttons, text fields, and it launched earlier this year. But the GPT agent is a big step forward, and it's absolutely something you should keep your eye on. So, it is everything you need to know. OpenAI claims agent is significantly more accurate than O3 and the deep research models on the browser comp benchmarks, which means the ability to locate hard to find the web information. But what does it actually mean for us? It means a GPT agent is able to plan a company mascot by connecting to, let's say, GPT-4o image generation, then uploading the design to Sticker Spark and actually ordering with the real payment details. The entire goal for the GPT agency is to create this sort of seamless interactions between various scaffold frameworks. And I guess you could see the most ideal version of a GPT agent being something like Iron Man Jarvis tool. OpenAI has achieved this by equipping agent with a suite of tools that include things like a visual browser that interacts with the web through a graphical user interface, a text-based browser for simpler reasoning-based web queries, and a terminal and direct API access. So in terms of intelligence level, it hasn't really changed or it hasn't changed at all. It still leverages the 4O model and the charm here is that the unified agent system is there. That's bridging research and action as OpenAI calls it. It feels like OpenAI has really stepped up the overall trajectory of a GPT as an assistant with this big update. But here is the major problem. OpenAI is doing exactly what the AI godfathers were afraid of, and they wrote it down. AI by 2027. You should look after it because it's not a prediction, it's a warning. And now everyone is afraid of their own creation. So if you wanna know why everyone is afraid of AI and why everyone is assuming that AGI will be completed by 2027 and this will rule all over the world by just 2 years from now. So if you wanna know all of these things, comment me below and I will create a whole video on this and will tell you how these things work and what's actually was in this documentation. So let's come back to our main video. But I don't know. What do you think? Is this something you had really used? ChatGPT agent is rolling out to Pro Plus members and team users with a message caps. Pro users have 400 messages a month, while everyone else gets 40 messages a month. And if you hit that limit, there are credit-based options. So, as it stands, this marks a pretty big step forward. Drop the code word 2027 and I will give you a whole video about what AI will be by 2027. And as always, if you want to see how I built my own game and monetize it to using AI, click on that left video. And if you want to watch how you can build your own AI agents, click on that right video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay motivated and keep earning.